Hey, what's going on? So today we've got another older high air. I picked this up off the street today. This is definitely an older high air. I don't know the date on this, but it's got to be early 2000s, I would think. Yeah, it's missing both the panels. It's actually kind of large. It's kind of big, and it's only a 5,000 BTU. Made in China. Where's the serial number on that? There it is. There's a lot of tape residue on this. There's the back. Doesn't seem to be in bad shape other than being very dirty. I can probably get some panels for this. There's a low fan. I did run this just for a couple minutes before. This thing doesn't seem to move. There we go. Alright, let's see. So we got low and high fan, low, medium, high AC. Here's low. Just barely came on there. It's kind of cool here today. It feels slightly cold already. Yeah, this is another pretty nice air conditioner. These older high airs are not bad at all. Compressor's very quiet. Very quiet. That's a Matsushita compressor in this. Yeah, it's very quiet. It's definitely very quiet. The coil's in pretty good shape on this. Yeah, this runs real nice. Not gonna be able to read the top of the motor. Yeah, this runs really nice, I gotta say. Very quiet. And yeah, this is very cold already. It's very cold. Yeah, this gets cold pretty quick. Wow. Yeah, I gotta say this is almost fully cold, I think, right now. Probably maybe another minute. No, it's really cold. I think it's pretty close to fully cold right there. Just the filter. Wow, yeah, this is very cold. Oh, it just shut off. Yeah, it's pretty cool out today. Oh well. There's medium fan. High fan. Kind of like a high-pitched hum that gets a little louder when you turn up the fan. Yeah, there's nothing bad though. Yeah, this sounds pretty good, I gotta say. Wish I could get the compressor back on. Nope, not gonna happen. Oh well. We got it to run for a couple minutes. Yeah, it's probably like 65 degrees out here, so. So, there you go. That's a older high air, 5,000 BTU. And I will see you next time.